Hello again, 7th grade. In this video, we're doing some more math, but I am going to do the IXL practice with you. Just another example and more ways for you to practice it. So I'm going to do R3. That's what you are to do on Tuesday, which is today. So in R3, you are writing variable expressions with word problems. It says Jenny drew 90 pictures, Avery drew P fewer pictures than Jenny. Choose the expression that shows how many pictures Avery drew. So we know Jenny drew 90 and Avery's was fewer, which means less. So they're going to need subtraction. That doesn't have subtraction, that doesn't have subtraction. The P is less than the 90, so we can't take 90 away from P, so that leaves us with 90 minus P is our answer. Simon has R more rubber bands than Alana. Alana has 23 rubber bands. Choose the expression that shows how many rubber bands Simon has. I'm going to write on this because I think it'd be better for me to just write it out. So Simon has R. Alana has Simon has R more rubber bands. More means addition. That's an addition sign, I promise. Alana has 23. So we know whatever it is, we're going to need to add 23. So whether it look R plus 23 or it could be 23 plus R, we know that needs to be our answer. This one is subtraction, this one is subtraction, this one has no addition, which leaves us with that as our answer. I'll click it, and I'll do one more in this section. Savannah has 67 small spoons and B big spoons. Choose the expressions that shows how many spoons she has. So it wants to know how many total. We know that's addition. We know there are 67 and we have to add. We don't know how many big spoons there are. It just gives us the variable B, but we know whatever it is, it's going to be addition, and B is our variable we're using. This is not addition, this is not addition, this has no addition. That leaves us with 67 plus B as our answer. I'm going to step it up to the next level. These problems are just a little more challenging, more complicated. So Claire earned E extra credit points. Polly earned 52 fewer extra credit points than Claire. Write an expression that shows how many extra credit points Polly earned. So we know Claire earned E and Polly earned 52 fewer. Fewer means subtraction. So whatever we're going to do, we need to subtract. Since Polly has less, we need to subtract Polly's from Claire's. So our expression is going to be E minus 52. And this says if you want multiplication, you use an asterisk. That's what that star is called. And if you want division, you use a slash. We're not doing either of those things, so we can just use the subtract or the minus button. Oops, clicked the wrong thing. So we need to put E minus 52. E minus 52. Knowing IXL, it might be mad that it's a capital, so let's see what happens. I didn't care. We'll do another one. So in this problem, it says Clarence has 13 comic books. Savannah has C times as many comic books as Clarence. Write an expression to show how many comic books Savannah has. So we know Clarence has 13. It says Savannah has C times. Times is going to be multiplication, so our expression would just be 13 times C because we don't know how many she has. So all you have to do is type it in this box. We want to use multiplication, so we're going to use that asterisk. So we need 13 times C. I'll do one more in this section. It says, Nora bought 3 packs of baseball cards. There are C cards in each pack. Write an expression that shows how many baseball cards Nora bought. So there are 3. There are C in each pack. We need to know how many, or write an expression to find how many. So we know there's 3. We're not getting rid of or losing cards. We're figuring out how many total. So we would have to multiply. So it's 3, and I'll try to draw an asterisk, C. So that's our expression, 3 times C. Let's plug it into the answer. It's 3 times C. Look at that. And I'll bump it up. Ooh, oh, that's it. Or did it do it already? Now I have to check. I guess we did all 3. All right. I don't know what happened there, but if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to explain anything or walk you through step by step if you need it. But enjoy the rest of your day.